Today we'll discuss some advanced problem on rationalization. So show that or prove that the problem will be 2 by the square root of 10 plus 2 root 21 minus 1 by the square root of 12 minus 2 root 35 plus 1 by the square root of 8 minus 2 root 15 equal to 0. We have to prove equal to 0 this problem. So first, this problem is a little bit tough, but if you go step by step, it will be very easy. First, you have to find the square roots. So first, we will go for the square root of 10 plus 2 root 21. 10 plus 2 root 21. The 21 is there. Factors of 21 is 7 and 3. And 7 plus 3 equal to 10. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. See here. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. So if the product of these two should be here. If the product of this equal to, if the product of factors of 21, if you add the factors of 21, if it is coming 10, they are the roots of the equation. I have done one video, complete video on this shortcuts. So I am using that. Please go and verify that. It's very easy. Next, if plus is there, we are writing plus. Now another one, second one, 12 minus 2 root 35. Here is also 7 times 5 is 7 plus 5 is 12. So first we have to write the bigger one. Bigger one is 7 minus, here is minus, so minus root 5. Okay. Next the third one. What is your third one? 8 minus 2 root 15. Here 15 5 times 3 and 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. So first the big one 5 minus sign minus 3. So we got the now left hand side. What is our left hand side? 2 by square root of 10 plus 2 root 21 minus square root of 12 minus 2 root 35 plus 1 by 8 minus 2 root 15. Now square root of 10 plus 2 root 21 is what? Root 7 plus c here. Root 7 square root of 7 plus square root of 3 minus 1 by this one is root 7 minus root 5 plus 825, this is 1 by root 5 minus root 3. Now you have to rationalize this. This is now the rationalization, root 7 plus root 3. So rationalization part, 1 minus root 7 minus root 5 rationalization plus 1 by root 5 minus root 3. Now rationalization. Rationalization. So now let me change the color. Let me change the color. Okay, the blue is okay. So rationalization is root 7 minus root 3. Divide numerator and denominator wise, root 7 minus root 3. And this is root 7 plus root 5. Root 7 plus root 5. Now this is root 5 plus root 3. Root 5 plus root 3. Now root 7 minus root 3. This is a, you see this is the formula. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. This we are using this. So root 7 square minus root 3 square minus root 7 plus root 5 by root 7 square minus root 5 square plus root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 root 3 square minus root 5 minus root 3 square, which is equal to 7 root and power getting as 7 minus 3, 7 minus 5, 5 minus 3. This is 2 times 7 minus root 3. This is minus is there. Root 7 plus root 5, root 5 plus root 3. Now next, this is 7 minus 3 is 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So denominator 7 minus 5 is 2, 5 minus. So what we have, root 7 minus root 3, root 7 minus root 5 plus root 5 plus root 3. See here, this one, root 7 plus root 7 minus root 7 getting cancelled. Minus root 5 plus root 5 getting cancelled. Right, getting cancelled. See, minus root 3 plus root 3 getting cancelled. Whole divided by 2. So this is 0 by 2 is 0, which is our right hand side. We prove this thing. You see, a problem is little bit confusing, but we have done very easy. First finding the square roots. After finding the square, 2 steps only. Consider it 2 steps only. First step, you have to find the square roots. You got the answer. Second step, rationalization and simplification. That's it. One more, this is one more problem. Let me do one more problem. Problem number Problem number 2, same type. Show that our proof 1 by square root of 11 minus 2 root 30 3 times square root of 7 minus 2 root 10 minus 4 root of square root of 8 plus 4 root 3. It should be equal to 0. You have to prove this thing. So let me go with first 11 minus 2 root 30. So what are the factors of 30? 3 and 10, 5 and 6, 2 and 15. There are so many, but what we want, 5 plus 6 equal to 11. 5 plus 6 equal to 11. So first 6, the big number, minus sign is there, minus, then the small number. We have done one. Now we have to go for the second one. What is the second one? This is the first one. What is the second one? 7 minus 2 root 10. What is the factor of 10? 2 and 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So square root is first 5, then the second one 7. Now the third one. What is the third one? Third one is third part. This is this one. This is the first part. This is the second part. And this is the third. So square root of 8 plus 4 root 3 equal to 8 plus 2. If you take inside, it will become 4. So 4 3 is a 12. Please, this trick is applicable only when 2 is here. 2 should be here. You see, if it is not 2, you have to make 2. Then you have to go. 4 3 is a 12. 1, 6 2 is a 12. 6 plus 2 is 8. So square root of 8 plus 4 root 3 equal to, first is the big one, 6 plus root 2. That's it. We are done. Now we have to write simplify. Now what is our left hand side? Complete problem I am writing. 1 by square root of 11 minus 2 root 30 minus 3 divided by 7 minus root 10 minus 4 divided by 8 plus 4 root 3. Now this one 7 minus this one 11 minus 2 root 30 is same as root 6 minus root 5, 3 divided by root 5 minus root 2, 4 divided by root 6 plus root. We are done. Now you have to go for the rationalization. The second part is rationalization. 1 by root 6 minus root 5, rationalization factor, a by root 5 minus root 2, rationalization factor, minus 4 by root 6 plus root 2, rationalization. Let me change the color for the rationalization. Let me change the color for rationalization. So minus is there, you have to write plus. Minus is there, you have to write plus. Minus is there, you have to write plus. Now minus is there, you have to write plus. Root 5 minus root. Here plus is there. Minus is there, you have to write plus. You have to write plus. If plus is there, you have to write minus. Okay. Now the form. What is that form? A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. But our A is root A plus root B into root A minus root B is how much? This is A minus B. So root 6 plus root 5 divided by root 6 whole square minus root 5 whole square minus 3 into root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. 4 into root 6 minus root 2 by root 6 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Here root 6 plus root 5 divided by root and power getting cancelled, 6 minus 5 minus 3 is there, root 5 minus root 2. Minus is there means it should be plus. It should be plus. It should be plus. So root 5, this is 5 minus 2. Minus 4 times of root 6 minus root 2 divided by root 6 is 6 minus 2. You see 6 minus 5 is 1. So root 5, root 6 plus root 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. These 3 getting cancelled. Minus root 5 minus root 2. This 6 minus 2 is 4. This getting cancelled. Minus root 6 plus root. Now cancellation. Suppose this is root 6 getting cancelled. Root 6, root 5 getting cancelled. So minus plus getting cancelled. Everybody getting cancelled 0, which is our right hand side. So we have taken left hand side and we have proved equal to right hand side. This done. Now one more problem we'll do. This the problem. So number 2 problem we have done 2 problems. Let me go one more problem. Suppose this problem 3 minus root 5 divided by root 2 plus 7 minus 3 root 5. This problem is there. Equal to, we have to show equal to 1 by root 5. we have to show equal to is equal to 1 by root 5 or root 5 by 5. This we have to show. This problem, see here, it is difficult to solve. So what we are doing, first we are multiplying by root 2 to the numerator and denominator. So root 2 into 3 minus root 5. This will become 6 minus 2 root 5. Now factor of 6 is, factor of 5 is 6 and 5 and 1, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So we can write this as root 5 minus root 1. Now see second one, 7 minus 3 root 5. Here also you are multiplying by root 2. 7 minus 2, 3 root 5. This is a 7 to the 14 minus 6 root 5. This is 14. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So 2 outside, 3 if it is going, it will become 9. 9 5s are 3 will become 9. 9 5s are 45. Now factors of 45. What are the factors of 45? 9 4s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 5 plus 4 is 9. So square root of 9 minus square root of 5. Square root of 9 is 3 minus root 5 is root 5. Okay, this we have done. So next part. So what is our problem? Our problem is square root of 3 minus root 5 divided by root 2 plus 7 minus 3 root 5. So what we are doing here? We are doing dividing numerator and denominator by root to the problem. Problem is root 3 minus root 5 and root 2 plus 7 minus 3 root 5. So this become as root 6 minus 2 root 5 and root 2 is 2. This become 14 minus 2 root 45. We have simplified, so I am not writing that steps. So next, and this we have done, square root is root 5 minus 1, square root of 5 minus, this is 2, and again this we have done 3 minus root 5. So this is root 5 minus 1 by 5 minus root 5. What I am doing is here root 5 minus 1 divided by 5, we are writing root 5 minus root 5. So what we are doing? Root 5 minus 1. If you take root 5 common, here root 5 minus. This getting cancels 1 by root 5. But the rule says you can't keep root 5 as it is. So dividing a numerator by root 5 by 5 is the answer. Okay. This we have done. Problem number 3. One more problem. Problem number 4. We'll go problem number 4. What is problem number 4? Let me see what is problem number 4. We will select this problem. So show that 4 plus root 15 to the power of 3 by 2 plus 4 minus 2 root 15 to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 6 plus root 35 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 6 minus root 35 to the power of 3 by 2. So now what we are doing is this, and it is equal to what we have to show. This should be equal to 7 by 30. This equal to, we have to show 7 by 30. So left hand side, what we are doing for this problem, This is a typical problem. So we are dividing numerator and denominator by 2 to the power of 3 by 2. Dividing numerator and denominator by 2 to the power of 2 by 2. So the same problem, 4 plus root 15 whole to the power of 3 by 2. 4 minus root 15 whole to the power of 3 by 2. 6 plus root 35 to the power of 3 by 2. 6 minus root 35 to the power of 3 by 2. If you take this inside, this will become 8. 8 8 plus 2 root 15 to the power of 3 by 2 plus 8 minus 2 root 15 to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 12 2 root 35 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 12 minus 2 root 35 to the power of 3 by 2. Please consider 4 plus root 15. Can I write like this to the power of cube? Now this is, what is this? And 2 will come here now. Yes, 2 will come here. So 2 will be here. What is the factors of 5? 15, 5 and 3. And this is 8 now. This is 8. I'm sorry. I'm taking from this side. This is 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So it is root 5 plus root 3 whole cube. And this is 12 plus 2 root 35. The square root whole cube. So this also what is that? 7 5 is 35. So root 7 first plus root 5 whole cube. So now, what is our problem? Now our problem is reduced to, so now we can write this thing, 8 plus 2 root 15 to the power of 3, 8 minus 2 root 15 to the power of 3, 12 plus 2 root 35 to the power of 3 with the root, then minus, excuse me, 12 minus whole cube. So this we have done just now. This is root 5 plus root 3 whole cube plus root 5 minus root 3 whole cube divided by root 7 plus root 5 whole cube minus root 7 minus root 5 whole cube. Now see here, see here, this the problem is a little bit confusing problem. So what I am doing, a plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube. How much? This is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus the second one, second expansion, this, for this, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now, what can we do here? B cube getting cancelled, and this one getting cancelled. So what is left? 2a cube plus 3 plus 3, 6, a b square. Okay, now next what I am doing, a plus b whole cube minus a plus b whole cube minus a minus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now the minus outside, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So now this is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b minus 3ab square. Am I right? Minus a cube minus time plus. This is plus. This is minus. So a cube getting cancelled. Now you have 2b cube. 2b cube. B cube is left. B cube is left. Plus 3a square. Plus minus 3ab square minus. So what is left? 3 plus 3 is 6. A square b. This is the thing we got it. So let me highlight it for you because it should not be confusing for you. You see, for the numerator type, you see this one. The complete, we can write this. And for denominator, this part. So let me write it down. So what we have, so 2, what we have 2, can I write this one? A plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube is 2a square. A is the first, 2a square. What is a? Root 5. 2a square plus 6. A is root 5 and b is root 3 square divided by denominator. Denominator what is 2b? 2b. What is b? Root 5. 2b cube then plus 6a square. What is a? Root 7 square. B is root 5. Am I right? Please be careful while doing this. These are easy problem, but it required your patience. So this can be written as 2 root 5 cube is root. What is root 5 cube? Root 5 into root 5 is square. Root 5 square is 5. So it is 5 root 5. So this is 5 root 5. This is root 3 square. Root 3 square is 3. So 3 6 are 18. 18 root 5. 18 root 5. Divided by same 5 root 5 plus 6 into 7 root 5. So that is the thing that we got. So how much? So 2 times 5 is 10. 10 root 5 plus 18 root 5 equal to 28 root 5 divided by 5 twos are 10. 10 root 5 plus 6 sevens are 42. 42 root 5. So therefore how much? 52 root 5. Root 5 root 5 getting cancelled. 4 ones are 4 threes are 4 sevens are 28. So 7 by 30, 13, which is our right hand side. So problem are easy problem, but it required your patience and some algebraic properties you should know. Otherwise, if you write this thing, because I have taken this to make it simpler. Otherwise, if you are confident, you go directly expanding and get the answer. But I felt it will be easy, so I have gone by this way. It's up to you. It's up to you. This is not this is a math thing. Everybody has his own way of doing the things, but always I make the things to be easier. That's why I do this way. Please thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more upcoming video. Please share with your friend. Thank you for watching.